Eh, eh, What is up, YouTube? This is another product review. Y'all hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to check out Firmoo for some glasses, honey. You can put your prescription in these glasses. And we are having a spring sale coming up this April. Baby. Y'all wait for that drop to happen. But before then, we got a pair of glasses. This is the new glasses. They was like the birthday glasses. So this is the color of my birthday, October. On the little glasses color calendar, whatever that they have on their website. My color is October, okay? I know this isn't your birthstone. It's not your birthstone. It's just a color that they represent your little month or whatever. So this was my color of the month. I loved my color, okay? Got a little charm on the side of your glasses, and these are actually really nice. The last pair that you just seen before I took these off, those were from Firmoo as well. But these, baby, put me in the game, honey. These right here, these put me in the game. I love them. I love the size. I love the shape. I love the frame. All of that. If you want to purchase these, the link will be down below. Don't listen. Hear me out. Don't forget to click that link. Especially subscribe now. Now, we got some other things too. We got some sunglasses, okay? We got some motherfucking sunglasses. So, I think I'm excited for these because this is my first time getting sunglasses from this company, and I love them. Girl, I just love them. And give me Johnny Bravo. Oh, I love them. I love this. I love the sunglasses. If I would hurry up and pull them hoes out so y'all can see. There you go. The sunglasses. Oh, put them on, bitch. Now look. Cute. Okay. These will be down below as well. Y'all don't sleep on these glasses now. Don't sleep. And you can put your prescription in these too. Okay. Like I said, go check out Firmoo. Okay. If you need your glasses and you need them shipped to your house, you need a prescription or whatever, go to Firmoo. Take your ass to Firmoo, okay? And they will give you a little discount if this your first time. And like I said before, don't forget that you can put your prescription in both of these glasses, the regular glasses and your sunglasses. And you don't have to if you want to. Thanks. Peace.